Hey, Coach Julie here from Bodies by Claudia. Are you ready to have the transformation of a lifetime? Is it now your time? Well, first of all, I want you to know it's not going to happen overnight. I know, I'm a Debbie Downer. I'm also just being realistic because I'm not Willy Wonka and I don't sugarcoat anything. So, your transformation is going to take time. But the more time and effort you put in, the more successful you are going to be, and you are going to have a lasting transformation. Because we know that you probably have lost weight before, and you've probably gained that weight plus some back, right? It's happened to all of us. That's because you didn't have a successful transformation, a successful journey. Because you didn't make habits, you didn't make systems, you probably didn't have an accountability partner, and you probably didn't hire a personal trainer. And if you did, you didn't stick with that personal trainer or that program. You probably quit for whatever reason. And it's okay because you weren't ready. Because this up here needs to be ready so you can make a lasting transformation. And what you need to realize is that it is going to take time, patience, perseverance, integrity, and grit. If you have all of this, you will be successful. But you're probably going to need help. You're probably not going to be able to do it alone. Probably only about 5 to 10% of people who make long-lasting transformations in whatever avenue that is are successful on their own. Why? Because you need accountability. You won't let somebody else down, but you will let yourself down time and time again. Right? You've joined Weight Watchers, you lost the weight, and you quit, you watched your weight, and now you're watching it go back up, right? That's what happens. And it's because that accountability doesn't work for you. You need to find a system that works for you. But there are no quick fixes. You didn't gain the weight overnight, and you can't save money to buy a house overnight. You can't fix an injury overnight. Everything takes time, right? So you got to relax. Find the time, have the patience, have the perseverance, the integrity, and get that grit, and you will be successful. And if you're ready to make the transformation of your life and have it be your final transformation, and then just smooth sail to the new you, and then the you that feels better, is stronger, has an immunity system that will take anything, you're mentally stronger, physically stronger, and you just feel the best ever, then we're ready for you here at Bodies by Claudia, and we would love for you to join our program so we can show you what a true transformation looks like, not only physically, but mentally, emotionally, all of it. We have you covered, and we're ready for you. So when you're ready to join, click the link below, join our Stronger in 6 program, and we will help you make the transformation of your lifetime that you have been waiting for.